Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Mandeville, Manchester. As you can see, I'm right in front of Church Teachers College. So enjoy the tours. I'm gonna make a right turn. I'm heading towards Keep Left. So if you make a left turn, that will take you back right into Mandeville town, but I'm gonna make a right turn, will take you all to Keep Left. So if you're just stopping by the channel, kindly hit the like button, also the subscribe, and press the all icons, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. So I normally do tours of different parishes in Jamaica, so enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. So I am now in Mandeville, Manchester. So if you make a right turn, that will take you right back to Greenvale roundabout. So I am on Manchester Road. Yeah man, so if you don't want to the fresh pine, you can come around them side here. Now if you make a left turn, it will take you all to Pro Hardware. Can take you right back to New Hall. So I'm taking you all to Keep Left side and Keep Left. Normally, as I said, keep left, you're gonna keep left. And there is a very dangerous place in time rainfall and stuff. You gotta be careful because a lot of water always settle right there and always flooding take place. So when you have lots of rain in Mandeville, Manchester, be careful when you're driving to the Keep Left side. on your left you have a soldier camp, Faster Barracks. Yeah man, so the soldier camp on your left over there. That's where you have the soldiers in base out. In a few more seconds you're gonna be at the keep left area. You're gonna see a sign right in the road marked keep left. Yeah, you see the sign keep left. Make a left turn that will take you to New England. Heading towards Northern Caribbean University. So on your right, that's where you have the Northern Caribbean University. On your right, you have the Cedar Garden housing scheme. So if you make a right turn, it will take you all to Cedar Grove. So I am in the hillside area. On your left you have the early childhood institution. So I'm in the hillside area. Welcome to Top Albion. If you make a left turn, I will take you all to Top Albion community. yeah. You're coming. So we're heading towards Knockpatrick. Thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so like up the video for me, please like up the video. Yeah man, thanks man, thanks a lot. If you want to know Jamaica, just tune into the channel, share out the channel also, make a lot of persons get to know about Jamaica. Jamaica, beautiful island, tour with Fire Reid. So I'm gonna make a left turn. So I'm in the Knockpatrick area. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.